40%. I thought I didn't hear them properly. I was like, did you just say 40%? These new bags in the boutique are 40% off? And I was like, okay, am I dreaming? I need to pinch myself. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, if you haven't watched last week's video, my airport shopping vlog, please go and check it out because we picked something really beautiful up there and most of you might already guess what it is, but let me tell you the whole story again because I think a lot of you might actually be interested in this little really well-kept secret. So I, was ready to leave Dubai and I thought, well, unfortunately I didn't get anything, I didn't get a bag, and I was a little bit sad, because of course sometimes you are looking forward to like having a little memory that you can take home with you. And I did my little Dubai haul in the last video as well, but I mean it was nothing special. I bought a little like traditional bucket bag on one of these souks in Dubai, so that's a really nice souvenir of course, but I had no expectations. That's just what I want to tell you. I had no expectations anymore. And let me tell you, my mom was really in love with that red Chanel bag, right? And she loved it. And when I posted that video and I asked you guys, do you think she should get it? So many people actually warned us that that bag is wearing really, really badly and that like the corners, like the white, no matter if it's like a black bag, a red bag or whatever, the white underneath the leather is coming through on all of your bags. So thank you so much for warning us. I mean, I saw already that, it had a lot of corner wear, the bag that we looked at, but it wasn't that bad yet. I think my mom really liked it, but she's really careful as well with what she buys and what she adds to her collection. So thank you again for warning us, guys. And yeah, I would say, should we get into this here? So it is a Bvlgari bag, of course. I mean, you've seen the vlog, and guys, I did not know that. London Heathrow, of course, you don't get any taxes off anymore, unfortunately, because of Brexit. And so it's not really fun anymore then, right, to go through an airport. And I had no idea that in Dubai, like you usually get only 5% off, that's their usual like tax-free stuff if you buy something and then you fly out. However, so they actually have a section of like if they have bags or any items that are leftovers, any products that are like leftovers from like past seasons, past couple years ago, whatever. They have a section of bags that they sell at 40% off. 40%. 40%. I thought I didn't hear them properly. I was like, did you just say 40%? These new bags in the boutique are 40% off? And I was like, okay, am I dreaming? I need to pinch myself. So I was not dreaming. And I always wanted to have a top handle bag, right? You guys know it. I always wanted to have a Bvlgari top handle bag. And this is it and not it at the same time. If that makes sense, because you guys know probably, the classic like top handle Bvlgari shape that I wanted to add. I just didn't know what color and what style. This is a kind of like different model. I think they discontinued this like a couple years back. 3 years? I'm not quite sure. I haven't seen it in a while. And I love it though. And I always wanted to have, you guys know it, I always wanted to have a Carong bag. I mean, I have one from Bvlgari, my gold plated Carong bag. And I always wanted to have like the green, the classic emerald forest green like Bvlgari bag in the Carong skin. And then I saw this one and it is a dream. It is a Carong skin bag, so it's the most durable exotic leather next to lizard, I think, but it's a lot cheaper than lizard. And yeah, guys, I saw it and I was like, this is actually such a nice color. You might think it's quite a boring color if you know my collection and I go for the weird and the wonderful, right, for the crazy bags. But I think it's always good to have a couple of neutrals in your collection as well, just for like everyday life if you want to be a little bit more under the radar, and you just want to dress nicely and not draw too much attention. So this one I saw and let me just show you now, and I thought it is such a beautiful classic. I hope we can see it. Ooh, I didn't switch the lights, the overhead lights on today. Oh, guys, what do we think? So I saw it and I was like, yeah, okay, I always wanted to have this bag in the green Caramel skin. But then I saw it and I was like, this actually reminds me so much, I don't know why, of like our desert trip in Dubai and the morning desert trip. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go and check it out as well. It was really a highlight, like the highlight of our trip. So yeah, I don't know. I absolutely love it. Okay, let me come a little bit closer. Again, it's quite difficult with the ring light. Maybe I should turn on the lights. Give me a second. Whoops. Okay, I'm back with the lights on. I hope I hope you can see it a little bit better. I mean, the reflection of the skin is quite impressive, right? From the ring light. So this is the beautiful bag, and it is the classic BVLGARI Serpenti Forever clasp closure. It has the, there we can see it has the malachite eyes. Absolutely beautiful and breathtaking. And this is a top handle bag. Yeah, I don't know. It is a new bag, but it has a vintage flair, right? It gives me like some vintage vibes. I don't know, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the back of the bag. There again, of course, it says BVLGARI. And guys, let's look inside, because it actually comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, let me see what's in here. So first of all, I got my wonderful receipt. And then I got so much stuff. What's this? Oh, another, oh. This is a dust bag for the strap. That's the attention to detail only BVLGARI offers you. So you have a nice little dust bag for your bag. Then you have a nice little, ooh. Hello. Then you have a nice little dust bag for the strap of the bag. I mean, what? Okay guys, so let's see. Here is the strap. I'm gonna show you some modeling shots in a second as well, of course. And it's all so nicely wrapped. I can't believe nobody picked this bag up. I mean, it was meant for me, right? Nobody picked this bag up for 40% off. And the entire shelf, you know, that we saw in that video was 40% off. My mom was already thinking about that red lizard bag. But even with the 40% off, it was still like £6,000. So she was like, oh, and I was like, yeah, that's normal for lizard. That's why Karung is such a good option. It's just as durable, you know, but it's not as expensive. Karung is a water snake. So this is a very fine, focus my lazy camera, there we go. This is a very fine and thin strap. I love it. It has like the gold chain as well. I show you modeling shots in a little bit. Well, let me set my dress in place again. Okay, so what else do we have here? All the paperwork, right, that your bag comes with. Little BVLGARI card, authenticity certificate, and yeah, what else is here? Oh, of course, guys, of course, every BVLGARI bag comes with its own little raincoat. Yeah, and some more paper stuff, and that's it. Okay, let me show you the, let me come closer, it's gonna make it easier. Okay, so let me show you the interior. The beautiful inner flap, it has like an orange. I'm not a big fan of orange, guys, but with this, the combination of like the brown with the orange, I think it looks really, really nice. So you have two main compartments, one zipper compartment here at the back, and the little mirror compartment. And let me show you that. So that's the beautiful mirror that you get with like any kind of classic BVLGARI Serpenti Forever. And then of course we have to peel this here off. Oh yeah, hello. Very beautiful. Can we see that? There, you can see yourself. Okay, so love it. Always love it when they come with this little mirror and the raincoat, of course. Yeah guys, so I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna show you some modeling shots now with and without the strap. Okay guys, so here's the bag just as a little top handle bag, and again, that's probably, you know, how I'm gonna wear it most of the time. just on the crook of my arm, and it looks very elegant, and you immediately look like very well put together. And then of course, like, because the strap's actually quite nice, nothing stops you from like keeping it in this little dust bag inside the bag, or just like attach it to the bag, of course. And then you have the option, you know, if you buy some groceries and then you are trying to run home quickly, then you can just swing it on the shoulder then. And oh wow, I need to show you how the mechanism of this works. This is quite stunning. Okay, I don't have a bag like that yet. So the way you attach it to the bag, there we can see it. You have like these little hooks here. No, I can't see it. You have like this little I don't know if you can see it. You have like this little hook that you have to put through this little metal ring there. Okay, I can't see it from on this tiny screen, but I hope you know what I mean. Yeah, and then you have the bag with the strap. I think actually I would just always leave the strap attached, because it is like a little accessory to the bag, isn't it? Again, and then you can still wear it like this and like be on your phone. And then if you need it, you can just swing it over your shoulder. And there we go. Is it an adjustable strap? It is. So as you can see, it is an adjustable strap even. Let me do the shortest setting in a minute, but I think this is quite long. So for all the, you know, crossbody bag lovers out there, that looks nice, right? It sits at a really nice height. You have your bag close to your body, safe. It's not too boxy actually, because it's pretty thin. Oh. Yeah, so let me quickly see how to what the shortest setting is, because I love it to just like wear it on one side of my shoulder. Oh, okay guys, that was actually the shortest setting. I wish they would have added a couple more holes here. That was the shortest option. I mean, it's fine. It's definitely okay. But yeah, I wish they would have added a couple more holes to make it even shorter. Oh, and even the little buttons here. Even the little buttons here still have the... You probably can't see it, like the plastic on the hardware. So guys, it's a new bag for there as well. It's a new bag for 40% off. Okay, I'm happy. I am really happy. I couldn't be happier. Nice addition, nice, very neutral addition to my eccentric handbag collection. Okay guys, I would say if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye!